Hey Tech Enthusiast, welcome back to SkyTech TV. This is your number one channel where we empower you with technology. Today we've got an exciting new review for you. The Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro. This powerhouse of a smartphone was released on January 12, 2024. It is packed with features that are sure to impress. Let's dive right in. Starting with the design and build, the Poco X6 Pro measures 160.5 by 74.3 by 8.3 millimeters and weighs in either 186 grams or 190 grams depending on the back material. You get to choose between Gorilla Glass 5 front with either plastic or eco leather friendly silicone polymer back, and don't worry about everyday mishaps. It is IP54 rated, making it dust and splash resistant. The display is where the Poco X6 Pro truly shines. It boasts of a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen with an impressive 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision support. The screen can hit up to 1800 nits peak brightness, ensuring visibility even under bright conditions. With resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, you are looking at crisp 446 ppi density. And for protection, it is covered by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the Poco X6 Pro runs on Android 14 with Xiaomi HyperOS. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra chipset featuring an octa-core CPU with top speed of 3.35 GHz. The Mali G615MC6 GPU ensures smooth graphics performance, making this phone a great choice for gamers and heavy users alike. When it comes to memory, there are several options. You can choose between 256GB with 8GB of RAM, 256GB with 12GB of RAM, or go all out with 512GB and 12GB of RAM. All models use the fast UFS 4.0 storage technology. However, there is no card slot, so choose your storage option wisely. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the Poco X6 Pro's camera setup. The triple camera setup includes a 64 megapixel main sensor with PDAF and optical image stabilization, and an 8 megapixel ultra wide lens and a 2 megapixel macro lens. You can shoot stunning 4K videos at 24 or 30 frame rates per second, or 1080p at up to 60 frame rates per second, with 0 EIS ensuring smooth footage. The 16 megapixel front camera is perfect for selfies and video recording, supporting 1080 video recording as well. Audio quality is top notch with dual speakers and high resolution audio support, though there is no 3.5mm jack, but with 24-bit 192 kHz high resolution wireless audio, your wireless headphones will sound better than ever. In terms of connectivity, the Poco X6 Pro has it all: dual band, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, NFC depending on your region, and an infrared port for controlling other devices. Navigation is precise with support for GPS, Galileo, GLONASS, QZSS and BDS. The battery life is another strong point. With 5000 non-removable battery, the Poco X6 Pro supports 67 watts wired charging, promising a full charge in just 45 minutes, perfect for those always on the go. And let's not forget the colors. The Poco X6 Pro comes in black, yellow and gray, giving you some stylish options to choose from. Now let's talk about the price. At around $350, the Poco X6 Pro offers incredible value for money. Performance-wise, it scores impressively good on benchmarks and Antutu. The display contrast ratio is infinite and the loudspeaker performance is rated very good. There you have it, the Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro. With its stunning display, powerful performance, versatile camera setup, and excellent battery life, it's a fantastic option in the mid-range market. If you are looking for a new smartphone that delivers on all fronts, the Poco X6 Pro might just be the one for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to never miss out on any of our tech content. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you think about the Poco X6 Pro, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.